In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a drawing, specifically an arrow, into your Google Docs document. This is a useful skill if you want to annotate your documents in a clean, clear, and visually appealing way. Let's dive right into it. So, to begin, you want to open up your Google Docs document. Once you're on the document you'd like to work on, look towards the upper menu bar. The first step is to click on Insert. This option is crucial as it's your gateway to adding various elements into your document, from images and charts to drawings, which is, of course, what we're focusing on today. Now that you've clicked Insert, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you should find the option labeled Drawing. Go ahead and click on it. The drawing feature in Google Docs is where you can create your own visuals right within the document without needing external software. It's especially handy for simple illustrations like charts, shapes, or in our case, arrows. Clicking on Drawing opens up another small window within your Google Doc. Look for the option New. This is where you'll start creating or editing a new drawing. Click on New, and you'll see a blank canvas appear, ready for your design. Next, we're going to add a shape. To do this, click on Shape, located in the toolbar of the drawing window. Shapes are fundamental building blocks for any drawing and can be used creatively to explain processes, directions, or even to emphasize points within your document. After clicking Shape, you'll see various options appear, including different categories of shapes like rectangles, ovals, arrows, and so on. Our focus is arrows, so go ahead and click on arrows. This selection offers a variety of arrow styles from straight lines to curved paths, depending on how you want to direct or illustrate a flow in your document. Choose an arrow style that fits your needs and click on it. Once selected, move your cursor back to the canvas and click and drag to create the arrow. Dragging the cursor will determine the length and direction of the arrow. You can always resize the arrow later if it's not perfect on the first try. After dragging your arrow to the desired size, you might want to refine its dimensions further. You can simply click and drag the knobs on the edges of the arrow to resize. Adjusting the size ensures your arrow fits neatly within the overall composition of your document. Once you're satisfied with your drawing, the final step is to hit Save and Close, located in the upper right corner of the drawing window. This action inserts your newly created arrow directly into the Google Docs page. And there you have it. Your arrow should now be perfectly positioned within your document. It's a straightforward process once you know where to click and how to manipulate the tools available in Google Docs. Feel free to explore the multitude of features within the drawing section for future projects.